Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Silas Infotech. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of downloading and installing Cisco Packet Tracer. This powerful network simulation tool is essential for anyone studying networking or preparing for Cisco certifications. Let's dive right in. Before we begin, let's quickly discuss what Cisco Packet Tracer is. Packet Tracer is a network simulation tool designed by Cisco to help students and professionals practice networking concepts in a virtual environment. It's free for Cisco Networking Academy students and provides an interactive way to design and troubleshoot network configurations. Let's get started. To download Cisco Packet Tracer, follow these steps. First, open your web browser and search for Cisco Packet Tracer. You will be redirected to the Cisco Networking Academy website. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log in or create an account if you don't have one. After logging in, go to the Resources tab and select Download Packet Tracer. You can find the latest version available for different operating systems here. Click on the download link for your operating system. In this example, we're downloading the Windows version 64-bit, but the process is similar for Mac and Linux. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder and double-click to start the installation process. The installation wizard will guide you through the setup. Click Next to begin. Choose the destination folder for the installation or leave it as default, then click Next. Now, click Install to begin the installation. This might take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation screen. Click Finish to exit the installer. Now that Packet Tracer is installed, let's launch it. You can find the shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu. When you open Packet Tracer for the first time, you'll need to log in with your Cisco Networking Academy credentials. Enter your username and password, then click or log in the dot. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main interface of Cisco Packet Tracer. You're now ready to start creating and simulating networks. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed Cisco Packet Tracer. Now you can start exploring and practicing your networking skills. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.